always been hiding. The first time that I see inside it and realize it's always been you. It's like reading pages and pages of stories of greatest adventure and glory. It's always been about you. When I close my eyes, it's you I see. I wanna feel like this forever and catch my breath every time you step into a room. I wanna hold you close and never let you go, 'cause I know forever was made for me and you. For me.
Happy birthday, Nicole. Sana maging katulad mo sa kulang pagkain mo. Saka magmana ka sana sa akin.
Happy birthday! Nandito lang kami ko.
Dreaming impossible.
Happy birthday kay Orme. Sana lumaki ka, mag-solve, masigla kayo ng mami and dad.
And I know I've always been dreaming of you. It's like flying higher and higher and knowing there's no wind inside.
I pray that you will grow lovely and good bond, syempre. And you will love the Lord with all your heart, mind, and I hope it will all come all the blessings of you. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Lord, po sa aming pinaka-best gift sa aming mag-asawa.
I wanna hold you close and never let you go, 'cause I know forever.
Thank you kasi atin kayo and for the family for always supporting us. Lalo na nung ito, ano pa lang kami, nagsisimula kami pa lang as mag-asawa at dyan kayo palagi to support us. Yung mga ninong and ninang ni Davey. So thank you kasi hindi kayo nagdalawang isip na i-accept to be his second parents. Habang lulalaki siya, so meron kami asahan na gagabay at tutulong sa paglaki niya ng mabuti. Thank you sa time na nilaan